So this video is about procrastination. A lot of people ask me that how to avoid procrastination. They want to do a lot of things, but they can't make themselves do those things. So procrastination comes from a lack of willpower. So once you develop the willpower, then you can take care of your procrastination. So to start with small things like sipping the water slowly, chewing the food slowly, and really relishing the. So just have a morsel of food in your mouth and maybe chew it 100 times and then slowly gulp it down. So it will build up the resilience and the willpower which is required to avoid procrastination. You can practice this in many ways: mindful walking slowly, then sipping water slowly, right? Or doing just any activity slowly, like folding the hands slowly, then opening it up, and then how it is feeling. So it will build up the willpower. Just do it every day with any of the activity which I mentioned, and let me know how is your procrastination level after 1 month. See you. Bye bye.